Hey guys, welcome to Brokers IQ. Yeah, man. Welcome to the number one place where you can find all brokerage related issues. Today this is just simply part two of how to open an account with RCG Market. Let's just get into it. So simply here is just simply your name, your surname, and then here you have to put in your password, which is a minimum of 15 letters. Let's just say a maximum of 15 letters, whereby you have to mix it up with numbers and yeah, you have to mix it up. And so here is where you confirm the password, and then here you can choose meta 4 or meta 5. Here you can choose the form of currency that you want to trade into, whereby your money will be denoted, sort of showed into. So I'll be choosing the South African rand. And then so metaphor, basically here it's just up to you to choose which one you'd like to prefer. Most people prefer meta 5. Most people, all traders, prefer meta 4. So yeah, I'm gonna go with meta 4. Then yeah, you can simply put in your email address, and then right there you can simply here it's just different ways on how to. Here it's RCG Raw, RCG Classic, and RCG ECN. So I'll be going with RCG Raw. And then I'll be going for next. And then here you'll be putting your address. Yeah, it's simply you can just put in an address that's basically where you reside into, and so it will basically just show up there. So as you can see here, you can put in the country that you are in, and then a number. Yeah, so basically, and then here you're gonna put in the city that you are in. I would say Windhoek, and then here it's your address. Um, um, Windhoek North, and then here it's a number. So since this is confidential information, so basically it's easy. You just put in your phone number. Here you put in this address that you currently reside in. Here is the city, and then here is the country. So it's not that difficult. So yeah, we'll be moving on to the next step. So basically, you put in your date of birth, when you were born, the month, and then citizenship. You can say Namibian. If you are from South Africa, you can say South African. So Namibian, and then here you can put in your ID number, and then here, how did you hear about us? I mean, this is not that much, but here. So guys, these are important issues that you need to go into and read, because this just shows you the terms of the contract that you are getting into. Um, just things to expect when you are trading with the broker. So it's important information that you would want to read, just like here, whereby we went into would like to read, or and then terms and condition. That's where I went. Yeah, this is just simply important issues that you would want to go through. It just says the company information that you would want to go through. There's trading policies and stuff like that. Important issues that you'd want to familiarize yourself with. Yeah, this is important. Just if you have time, you can just go through and read. And you'll also want to, if they are licensed, the broker. So if you can see here, financial sector. So it's important information that you would want to go through. So yeah, so you can just click there after going through them. I'm not gonna go through because it's a lot of things to read, but it's very important to go through. So here I said it's ID number that you have to put in, and I think yeah we are done. It's your date of birth. I think yeah we are done. So yeah. So yeah guys, after doing all all the registration procedures, this is where we are currently. So this is currently my desktop, or just a place where you can simply just do anything, whereby you can find how much money you have, your equity, your free margin, just simply important information that you need. So as you can see here, click here to complete compliance. So I'm not yet done with the information that I have to sort of need to sort of submit. So I'm just going to go through on everything here. So if you can just come here for an account, here it's just basically where you fund your account, or basically where you deposit. So yeah, these are just forms of payments. You can pay with instant card payments, which is a Visa, just anyways, any basic thing that you want to pay with. Here is your account details, and then here trades. Here I think it just shows you trades that you are currently in, and yeah, just basically important information that you would want. Here is your trading accounts. Here is your trading accounts here, right here. So here it's where you create your account, and then here important here it's your personal details. So here is where I think, not I think, here's basically where everything that you need to sort of for your account to be verified, because your account needs to be verified by the broker for you to sort of start trading. So if you come here, upload documents, let's see right here. Basically it's where you have to upload your documents. Very important for your account to be so yeah, simple. Yeah, you just have to either your passport or your ID, and here it's your address. Here it's your address right here. So here you can put in your ID. Yeah, basically you have to put in your ID. So yeah, I mean it's just, and important information is all four corners is to be visible, and you have to sort of you have to copy on the back side and the front side. So yeah, so this is my name. If I'm a Namibian and I am to submit my Namibian national ID, that's what I have to submit. So yeah, I did not yet submit, but that's just how to get to read. Okay, and then and then from here to the next step, it's just that here I have first to upload my national ID, and yeah, so basically after submitting my ID, um here now I'm going to be uploading my, so here it says no incomplete name and address, don't use documents older than 3 months, no blur, and not expired. So here you have to put in your, I think it's your bill statement, which is your water and electricity statement that is important for you, and your bank statement, which clearly shows all your details, um, your address, basically important information that can link back to you. So yeah, after doing that, you can just come here to upload, and then since now I don't have currently I don't have all my information right here, so I'm just sort of showing you how to do it. So after that, we're at the account statements, and then you can, yes, basically there, and then this procedure is very important for your account to be verified. And these are the trading platforms requests. Yeah, 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 it's here it's basically requesting status on your information. So here you want to request withdrawals, and then here it's to change the leverage that you'd want to change. So basically, and very important, I think it's here, right here. I think important information is right here. Yeah, the leverage. I think very important is to familiarize yourself with these leverages. It's very, very important to familiarize yourself with this leverage. So if you have an, as you can see here, if you have an account balance of $1,000 of $1,000, then the max leverage is 2,000. And if you have 1,000 to 2,000, then the max leverage is just 1,000 only on the ECN and the classic accounts. And then right here, 2,000 to 3,500, all accounts type, including Royal. So this is very important information that you need, because you can put in your trading account here and the leverage that you'd want. Most people choose at 500, but this is for people who have much capital at their disposal. So for you, you can just choose at least 200. That's the leverage I would um I would I would tell a person to familiarize themselves with, because leverage is very important as a trader. So right there, I'm done. So back to the desk, to my dashboard. Again, as you can see, um, as you can see here, legal accepted account status. Here, I have still a lot of things that needs to be uploaded. As you can see, this step here, right here, I haven't, the compliance is not yet complete. So let's go to it right there. And okay, so this is personal information. So yeah, this is very personal information. You can come right here. So this is important information. So here it is simply employment status. Are you an employee, salary, entrepreneur, employee, unemployed, student? I'm gonna go with student. Okay, employment status, I'm currently a student. Occupation, very important. I'm currently, can just put unemployed. If it doesn't go through, then unemployed. Let's see if it will go through. Yeah, it went through. So from there, industry experience. Have you ever worked in the financial institution? No. Do you know what is CFD? Very important information that you need to. So here, so do you know what is CFD? Yes. Have you ever traded CFD before? Yes. Trading with higher leverage in CFD means you may open a large position volume. This increases the risk of loss. Trading true. You see, guys, so age is basically it just procedures whereby it warns you off. Not basically warns you, but it just shows you, like for example, it says trading with a higher leverage in CFDs means you may open a larger position volume, which is true. That's increasing the risk of with the by increasing the risk of loss. So basically just that, and then you go to next. And then from here, are you politically exposed? No. No. Do you have any relevant experience and understanding of the risk in trading our margins and leverage derivative products? Yes, experience from work. Yes, experience from previous trading activity. Experience from understanding through academic qualification from doing activity. That's what I'm going to go with. Can you confirm that you are fully aware that CFDs and margin FX are leverage products that carry a high level of risk to your capital? Yes. Can you confirm that you are fully aware that trading is not suitable for everyone and may result in losing your initial investment? This is very important, yes. And then I think there is a step I'm not yet finished with. Submit. I'm done. I think that period I'm done. Now, as you can see, the green light shows that I have completed all these necessary information that was needed of me to submit. And then now what's needed is my document verification. So document verification is easy, guys. So it's basically easy stuff there. So you just upload your ID and your bill statement, which clearly outlines your home address. Very important information that the broker would need. So again, let's go to account settings and then let's go to. So basically here, it's if you want to change your password, you can just simply come here. So here you can come. Here is your trading platform, and then here you can say if you are a beginner trader, you can come demo, and then you can want to be denoted in ZAR, account type, demo classic, and then here you can put in the password. Here you're going to be creating your password right here, and then you basically just come to create account. And if you want to trade live funds, you can just come to live, and then you create the form of currency, and then you can come right here, RCG classic, RCG raw, or RCG ECN. Very important right there. So basically important information between the different account types. Basically the information you can find them on the website of RCG. So if we start first with RCG raw. So RCG raw, it's just minimum deposit that's needed is 50 rand. The spread is 0.0 pips. Commissions and bonuses, okay. And then the platform is made of 4, and then the leverage is 500. And then if we go to classic, that's also a minimum of 50 rand deposit, and then the spread is 1.5. And then like right here is the leverage is 2000. Okay, so you can see right there 2000. No, sorry. This no this is Yeah, this is classic right there. um the leverage is 2000. Now if we go to ECN, if we go to RCG ECN, right there, minimum deposit is 50 rand, commission $7, and the leverage is 1000. So guys, if you're a beginner trader, i would I would recommend you choose RCG raw. This is the best. It's suitable for, it's user friendly for beginner traders. So yeah, and then you can just come right here, password, and then you can just create account. It's going to come right here, and then you're gonna deposit live funds if you'd want. And basically guys, that's just how you open an account with RCG markets. To wrap up everything, I still need to upload my documents, very important, right here. So yeah, so guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Yeah, I hope you like, share, and yeah, I hope you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and help us grow into, yeah, a much larger base whereby you can accommodate everyone. So yeah, man, see you on the other side.